favorite friends are going to draw a Spinosaurus.
Yeah, what is a Spinosaurus?
It's a dinosaur.
A dinosaur, yeah, with this really cool sail on the back. We hope you're going to follow along with us. What do they need?
Markers.
Yeah, something to draw with.
And paper and something to go with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Because we're using our markers to draw and color with, we're also using marker paper to draw on. This helps protect our table and also keeps our markers lasting longer. And we're also drawing with our paper horizontal or sideways so that we have room to draw the entire dinosaur. And we're going to start over here on the top left of our paper and draw our dinosaur's mouth. We're going to start by drawing a sideways letter V.
That's kind of tricky.
Yeah, you can do it. Oh, that's a big mouth. I love it. Okay, and then I'm going to make mine a little bit bigger too to match yours. And they kind of did have big mouths, big jaws. So let's also draw the teeth. I'm going to draw a zigzag line coming down the top. Yeah. There you go. And then we're going to draw across the bottom too. And you could draw some of the teeth big and some small. Oh, I really like that big tooth. And then we could also draw a little curve right here in the corner of the mouth. Now let's draw the eye. And we're going to draw it right here above the mouth. And we could also draw a little highlight inside and then color in the big circle or oval and leave that little one white. Nice. Now let's also draw the eyebrow or the eyelid that goes over top of the eye. Let's first draw the nostril area. We're going to draw a little curve that comes up. Yeah, and then we're going to let's draw a little nostril. And then we can draw the rest of the head coming back and connecting to the eyebrow. Yeah, and then let's draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to start here and curve back. And look, it's a little thinner, coming all the way back. And then we're going to curve up, almost like we're going to connect to the eye, but we want to leave some space. That looks awesome. And it kind of looks like an alligator, huh?
Yeah.
Now let's draw the neck. We're going to draw coming back from the top of the head. We're going to curve down like this. And then we'll start curving the other way. Yes. And then we're going to draw with the back. Let's draw a big curve coming this way. And then let's come back over here to the bottom of the head. And we're going to draw the front of the neck coming down like this. So we can start like right here. Oh, you drew the whole body. I love it. That's awesome. And that's okay that our two drawings look different. They're both turning out awesome. And it's okay if your drawings look different too, because the most important thing is
to have fun and practice.
Yes, to have fun and practice. All right, should we keep going?
Yeah.
All right, now on mine, I'm going to do it a little different. Watch me. I'm going to draw a little curve that comes down and then forward for the front arm. And you could draw it right here. Come down. Yes. And then forward. And then let's draw the fingers or the claws. We're going to draw a curved W. Yeah. And we could also draw the rest of the arm coming back up to the body. Yeah, let's also draw another arm so it looks 3D. We're going to draw it right here. And I'm going to draw it coming up higher. And then we can draw a curved W for the claws again. And then let's draw the rest of the arm coming back and connecting. I love your little dinosaur arms. They look super cool. Okay, now let's draw the belly, except you already have a belly. I'm going to draw.
I have an idea though.
Are you going to draw it different? What is that?
It's a belly part.
Oh, the belly part. I really like that. I'm going to add that too. So I'm going to draw my belly line. I'm going to imagine it going behind the arm right here, and we're going to come back further, just like yours. Now I'm going to draw a big back leg. I'm going to draw it curving. We're going to connect here and then down, but yes, you could draw it there. I love it. And then we're going to draw the foot going like this, forward. And then let's draw a claw or talons down here at the bottom. So we're drawing another W. And then we're going to come back up. Yes. And follow it around. You did such a good job. I love drawing with you so much.
Me too.
And then I come up like this. and made it a little thicker towards the back to make it look muscular. And I love yours. Yours is perfect. Then we're going to draw the other leg, and I'm going to draw it really close to this one that we already drew. And then we can draw little talons right here and just connect them to the feet.
One.
Yeah, just one. That's perfect. So that's an easy way to draw another leg. We didn't draw the whole thing because it's overlapping behind this one that's in front. And it looks really cool. Okay, now we're going to draw the tail. And let's draw it curving. We're going to start here on the bottom. And I'm going to curve around like this and curve down. Then we're going to start at the end of the tail, so there's a point, and as we get further or closer to the body, we're going to get further away and then connect into the back. Yeah. Well, okay, what's our dinosaur missing?
The spines.
Yeah, it just looks like a dinosaur. We need to make it a Spinosaurus.
Yeah.
Let's start by drawing a big spine right here in the middle. So we're just going to draw a big, tall, diagonal line that starts in the middle and comes up to maybe there. Yeah, and then we're going to turn it into, it's going to look a little bit like a fan. So I'm going to start here right next to this one we just drew, and we're going to draw it a little shorter next to it, like that. And then the next one, we're going to draw shorter. Oh, look, I'm kind of also curving it like a fan. And then we're going to draw shorter, and we're going to come down until we get to the neck. And then, yeah, that's a good spot to stop. And then we're going to start here, and we're going to do the same thing, but we don't want to go down the tail. We want to end about here. Yeah, so I'm going to do the same thing. We're going to start here, come down, and stop before the tail. Now let's draw the top of the spine. We're going to draw a little bumpy line that goes over each of those lines. And you could just draw it wiggly like that. It looks natural, like a dinosaur. And we did it. We finished drawing our Spinosaurus, except we're not completely done.
Still any color.
Yes, my favorite. And what color are dinosaurs?
We don't know.
No, we don't. And so you can color your dinosaur any way you want. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Olivia, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our Spinosaurus, and I love how yours turned out. You added a bow and eyelashes. It's really cute.
Thanks. You can add even more things to your drawing.
Yeah, you could. You could add whatever you want, even a background. That would be really cool with grass and, oh, maybe a volcano and more dinosaurs.
Yeah. We hope you have fun drawing a Spinosaurus.
Dude, we hope you had a lot of fun. It's kind of hard saying Spinosaurus, huh?
Spinosaurus.
There you go.
There we go.
We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.